Hi friends, hope you all are doing great. Tasin here. Today I'm here to talk about data scrapping. So when people want to do some business or they want to work as a freelancer or else actually they are in search of some data, definitely this video is going to help you a lot. You can earn so many dollars by knowing the skill. It is very simple skill, no need to use any laptop, no need to use any system. Just using mobile phone you can do data scrapping. Today I'm going to teach you how to do data scrapping using a small simple methods which you can adopt and you can earn. And at the same time, if you want to have your own business and you want to need some data for your business, definitely you can find it. What I'm trying to explain you is data scrapping is nothing but, for example, if you are in search of list of restaurants in and around New York City or Bombay, Delhi or Chicago, wherever you're searching, what you will do, you will just type in Google and you will try to list out all the restaurants names, and then you will try to have their telephone numbers and just cut, copy, paste in your Excel sheet so that you can have the list of data. But just by one click you can get all the data in your Excel sheet. No need to drag, drop, no need to cut, copy, paste. Very simple methods will be followed so that all the data will be get uploaded.
So friends, let me show you first. Let us go to Play Store. We need to download application called Y and X browser. Okay, this is the one which I was talking about. This is the one you can see here. Just click on it. Here I have in my mobile, so it shows open. Just install this. Once you install this is just act as a browser. Actually, I'll show you in my mobile phone how it looks like. So let's click on this. Okay, once I open this will be my page. So this is the web page, how it will look like. So here what you have to do, so this is the page how it will look like, and here you have to type google.com. so here you just click on google.com. then in this page you have to type instant data scraper. Okay, so here you can see instant data scraper Google Chrome. Just click on it, and we are going to download an extension Insta Data Scraper in our mobile phone. Remove from my Chrome. Here actually same, see, this is the Insta Data Scraper. So this is the one actually which is going to scrap our data, and it will going to show you within a fraction of a second. So we have to install this in our computer or else in our mobile phone so that we can get instant data. So here you have remove from Chrome. Already I have installed here, so it shows remove. If you so here the same remove will show you add. Once you click on the add extension, it will get added to your mobile phone. So let us go to our Y and X. So let me show you how to browse from Yellow Pages, how to use Yellow Pages so that we can extract data. So here I'm going to type yellowpages.com. So this is the one YP. So here I'm going to find doctor's number, doctors, and place I am going to choose Delhi. I want those datas, those doctors numbers, those who are from doctors and they are from Delhi. So here you can see a list of Delhi doctors. Delhi place is also there, and all are doctors here. So this is the one. So if I have to go in search and I have to type their mobile phone numbers and their addresses, it will take a very long time to cut, copy and paste. So all what I'm going to do is a very simple procedure. So what I'm going to do is just click on this 3 lines in the down part. Just click here, and here you can see extensions. Can you see extensions here? Yes, in the down part. So I'm going to click on extensions. So do you remember we have just installed Insta Data Scraper? Once you click on that Insta Data Scraper, it will start. Wow, amazing. Simply see here, you can see, I'll show you. So here you can see number 1 and the address. His address is from Delhi. He's a physician and surgeon. Even pediatrics numbers also here, and so it shows some URL and from where it has been, and telephone numbers at the same time. So I'm going to download this. Just click on S. Download has started and download is complete. Download complete. Let me have a look on those data. So here you can see WPS Office has got open automatically after getting downloaded. Wow, so nice. So it is in the Excel sheet, all the data has got updated here. Here you can see name, physician, and the mobile phone numbers. So this is how they do data scraping through mobile phone.
Thank you so much for listening. Hope you all would have understood what is data scraping. Follow me in my YouTube channel. If you like my videos, kindly share with your friends and relatives. If you want my more videos, kindly subscribe my channel. Don't forget to click on bell icon. Take care. Bye bye.